In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record mileage on Kashflow. This process is important for keeping accurate records of your travel expenses, which can be crucial for both personal and business accounting. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to make this process as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to the Iris Kashflow website. This is your starting point, where all the magic happens. Opening up Kashflow will bring you to your workspace where you can manage various accounting tasks. Once you're there, look for the mileage section. This is where you'll be doing most of your work today. After locating the mileage section, the next thing you'll do is click on Setup Mileage. This is a crucial step as it allows you to define the parameters and rules for recording your journeys. This feature helps ensure consistency and accuracy in your records, which is essential for effective expense tracking. Now, you'll see an option to create new. Go ahead and click this button. This will open a form that you'll need to fill out with the details of your trip. Don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. You'll enter specific information related to your travel. As you proceed to fill out the form, input all the necessary details of your trip. This typically includes the start and end addresses of your journey, together with the distance traveled. Accurately entering these details is just as important as recording them, so take your time to ensure everything is correct. Once you've input all the necessary information, it's time to review your entries. Make sure everything looks accurate before clicking the Finish button. This helps prevent any errors that might affect your mileage records down the line. After finishing, you can click on Create to finalize the addition of your trip. Now designate the vehicle type you are using for